Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss about what? I am going to discuss about numericals which is based upon focal length, okay, and mirror formula and magnification, and that will be helpful for you for board examination point of view, okay. And here come on the question. And here example number 1. First of all, what you have to do, you have to draw the diagram, okay, which is based upon according to the given question. You have to draw that diagram. Here that is given what? Concave mirror. Concave mirror, you know, in concave mirror what? There is a center of curvature, okay, and pole and one focus, okay, and focus, you know what, from the center and pole what, there is the radius, okay. And here if you will see focal length is the half of radius, and what is given in the question you must have to write. Firstly, what is given is that R is equal to 40 centimeter, and what you have to find? You have to find focal length of that mirror. Come the solution. Solution is that F is equal to, you know what, F is equal to R upon 2, half of radius. Focal length is the half of radius, you already know. And if you will put the value of radius, then what you will get? You will get 40 divided upon 2. Then finally you will get the answer 20. And unit is very very important, okay, otherwise it is valueless. Then you must have to write 20 centimeter, because the SI unit of radius is what? Here, centimeter. Then according to the given what you have to write? You have to write focal length is in centimeter, okay, and this is the complete answer. Come on the next question. And here what is given? Given that if the focal length of a convex mirror, okay, and the concave mirror, the focal length of the concave mirror is what? 12 centimeter. And what you have to find? You have to find the radius of that curvature. And what you have to find? You have to find the radius of that curvature. And solution is what? You already know. Focal length is the half of radius, and focal length is what? Half of radius. And if you will put the value of f, then you will be able to get the value of r. Here f is what? Twice of f, and twice f is what? 12 centimeter, okay. Then after multiplying this, what you will get? You will get 24 centimeter, the value of this radius. And the unit is very very important, I have already told, okay. Then this is the complete answer. Come on the next question. And here what is given? If you will draw the diagram according to the given question, what you will get? In the front of concave mirror, there is placed what? There is placed a candle having height what? Having height 10 centimeter here, and it is placed from the mirror part. It is placed from the mirror 20 centimeter. And focal length of that mirror is what? Focal length of that mirror is 15 centimeter. And here what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the image distance and where you will able to find the actual image of that object. Okay, and given what, firstly you have to write here height of the image is what, 10 centimeter. Okay, and the focal length is what, 15 centimeter, and the object distance is what, sorry, you must have to take negative sign according to the sign convention of spherical mirror. Okay, and object distance is what, minus 20 centimeter, and to find, you have to find what, height of the image and position of that image. Then solution, come on the solution. According to the mirror formula, you know, according to the mirror formula, you know what, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay, and after putting this value, what you will get? You will get the value of V, sorry, and U equal to what? U equal to minus 20, and F will be what? Minus 15. Okay, and here after calculating this, what you will get? You will get 1 by minus 15 minus 1 by 20, minus 20. Then minus will be what? Positive. And after this, if you have to take the LCM of 15 and 20, then what? 60, and 54 what? 54 ja 60. 15 4, if you will divide this 60 by 15, then what you will get? You will get 4. Okay, minus 4 and plus 3. Okay, then after calculating this, what you will get? You will get minus 1, because here what, the value of negative sign is greater. Here magnitude of 4 is what? 4 is greater in magnitude in comparison to 3. Then you have to place what? The value of the sign of greater magnitude. Okay, and here what you will get? You will get 60. You minus 1 upon 60, and according to this, here what, the image distance is minus 60, and that is in centimeter according to the given SI unit. Okay, and this is also the answer, first answer. And for finding the height of that image, then what you have to use? You have to use magnification, formula of magnification. Then magnification is what? Height of the image upon height of the object, and after that what? Minus V upon U. And after putting this value, what you will get? Height of the image, and here height of the object is what? 10, and minus V is equal to V. The value of V will be what? V will be minus 60. Okay, and the object distance is minus 20. Here by after cancellation, what you will get? 2 3 ja 6. Okay, and here height of the image is what? Minus 30, and the SI unit will be what? In centimeter. Then what? Height of the given candle will be in centimeter, minus 30 centimeter. This is the complete answer. Okay. थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो कम्प्लीटली, और हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें. ओके.